Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today is July 31st, 2025. Right now we have a moderate risk of excessive rainfall. Some things are talking about life-threatening flash flooding. A bit of a green sky over there, that's not a good sign. Now there's a tornado warning storm northeast of us in northern New Jersey. So I'm gonna look at the radar on my phone here. We have a severe thunderstorm warning to the west there, and that's till 3 p.m. Down south there's literally like a thunderstorm cell down here, so I don't know, there might be some rotation in this storm. There's another severe warning storm just west of Philadelphia and heading towards Philadelphia. That one's till 2:45. So that's severe thunderstorm warning until 3 p.m. Honestly, I think it could weaken below severe limits. Look at that bird right there. But that's not our main concern. The main concern is that we have potentially a rotating storm, I don't know, to the south of us. It's pretty loud thunder. We're not even in the storm yet. It's still warm. It's still hot, like 89 degrees. I'd be pissed off if we don't get like severe storms here. But I plan to leave. I have to leave at 3:30 or so, unless there's like crazy weather. I kind of want to sit down. I'll just sit in this chair here. Yeah, so neighbor's generator is on. I don't know if our generator is on. It might be. I don't know if we lost power. But if there is a power outage, then this storm is probably producing damaging winds. Life-threatening flash flooding.
Radar. Impact. Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses.
Okay.
Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Chester, Thunderstorm, Arden, Chelsea, Concordsville, Lima, Chester Township.
I'm pretty sure those storms are heading towards us. If there's life-threatening flash flooding, we cannot go anywhere. Like, I'm not going to be able to leave to my destination at 3:30.
Flash flood warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. this afternoon for central Bergen County. At 1:49,
so, I think that there is like a severe thunderstorm that...
Although the heaviest rain has come to end, we are still receiving reports of water rescues in the Reading area.
The thunderstorm, the severe warning thunderstorm that appears to be weakening, but then there appears to be another cell, like down here, where I'm pointing my camera, that appears to be strengthening, potentially leading to another severe thunderstorm warning for this area. There is an isolated tornado threat. There's a slight risk of severe weather today. 15% damaging winds, but there's an isolated 2% tornado threat, and the severe thunderstorm warning is gone. I don't know what happened.
Loyaldale, Wallaport, Wintersville, Robertsonia, Leesport, and Shoemakersville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood gaps occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local...
Well, unfortunately, it says it weakened below severe limits. Well,
The following is a marine weather statement for the following marine locations: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Brook Point, Maryland. Watapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay, and Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland to the Little Choptank River. Gusty south winds and...
Oh, there was lightning.
Occasional southerly winds gusts to near 20 knots are possible this afternoon. In addition, thunderstorms will develop and produce gusty winds, heavy downpours, and lightning strikes. Owners should prepare to seek safe harbor. For the following areas: Chesapeake Bay from Fools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island.
Dude, it's still hot out here. Like, I'm sweating.
At 1:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm producing waterspouts was located over Aberdeen Proving Ground, moving northeast at 20 knots.
Severe thunderstorm producing water spout.
34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated.
So this kind of sucks. I have bad news. The severe thunderstorm warning was canceled. But I do notice this on radar. This storm that was originally severe, like it's breaking apart. But then there's like new cells forming, it looks like. Potentially reaching severe limits, I don't know. Still haven't got like the outflow yet. I just hope we get severe storms. It appears that the tornado warning storm in New Jersey is a supercell. I'm gonna keep watching this weather. Why do the storms always have to weaken below severe limits before they reach our area? That's one thing that annoys me so much. There's lightning again. That's one thing that annoys me so much. That really pisses me off. When we get a severe thunderstorm warning and then it weakens below severe limits. Like, alright, it's starting to rain. Still no outflow. I don't... I don't understand. Or I don't know why it happens. Like, it looks like the conditions should be favorable for severe storms to continue. Severe storms to continue. But I don't know. Yeah, this has pissed me off. Looks like a new cell is forming though. I don't know if it's going to reach severe limits. I hope so. It might, but I'm not sure. There's one near Philadelphia. I don't know if it's moving here though. It is moving here. That severe storm that storm that's coming here. The storm that I'm looking at that's moving here, I don't know if it's severe, but it looks like it could reach severe limits because it looks like it's getting stronger. It's probably not going to be like squalline. It's probably going to be a single severe cell in particular. Dude, it's still super humid. It's calm. It's calm. It just got calm. Calm. It just got calm. You know what that means, right? It's lightning. There's like a lot of lightning. Well, that didn't turn out how I wanted it to. This sucks. It's been quite a...
flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage
More lightning.
areas. Excessive
Dude, I'm sweating. It's humid out here.
are possible. Additional details. Significant
It's hot and humid, alright? It's still in the upper 80s. It's 88.
thunderstorms will develop and move across the area this afternoon into the evening. Thunderstorms will be capable of producing very heavy rain, with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Widespread rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected.
Alright, I'm gonna turn off the radio. Actually, should I keep it on? I don't know if we will get multiple rounds of storms or not. If there's a flash flood, I'm gonna try to do everything I can to not go to where I need to go because I don't want to risk my life driving in a flood.
Safety flash. Flood for flood safety and preparedness information. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warning be.
Why the hell is there not a severe
The
thunderstorm
following
warning
is a
yet?
flood watch statement. Flood watch remains in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon
Come on.
to tonight. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall.
Dude, there's a big
possible.
cell forming.
Where?
Here, let me.
Northern Delaware.
Or it's not really that big. It looks like it could be severe. Why does AccuWeather not? Why does AccuWeather say it's cloudy, man? It's not like cloudy, man. We got storms coming.
Somerset, southeastern Burlington, and western Monmouth, and southeast Pennsylvania.
Honestly,
The following areas: Delaware, eastern Chester.
I see like storm cells moving in different directions. One of them is like moving
Western Chester and
east, and the other one is moving northeast. Does that mean it's rotating? Because if it's rotating, is that a hook forming? I don't even know, man. If there's a hook forming, then that's our first sign, like, get the hell out of here.
Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Storm drains and ditches may become clogged with debris. Additional details: a very warm and humid air mass will be in place ahead of an approach.
Yeah, there's a cold front. It's like 90 degrees today and 76 degrees tomorrow.
Storms are expected to develop this afternoon into tonight, which will be capable of producing heavy rainfall. Forecast rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches can generally be expected, with localized amounts of 5 to 7 inches or greater possible.
5 to 7 inches, yeah, that's when you should, like, get the higher ground.
Flash flooding is possible. http://w.
Unless your house collapses.
Safety flash. Flood you should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Have multiple reliable ways to receive flash flood warnings. If you encounter a flooded road, turn around. Don't drown. The following is a flood watch statement.
Yeah, I don't think they're going to issue a severe thunderstorm warning despite the storm looking like pretty bad, you know. Plus there's not even any like wind gusts or anything.
Where? Portions of Delaware, including the following areas. Delaware beaches.
I was hoping, like,
Kent,
unfortunately,
Northeast Maryland, including the following areas: Caroline, Kent, Maryland, Queen Anne, and Talbot, New Jersey.
New alert. Lightning, man. I'm nervous.
Weather Service Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central.
Thank God it's just a flash flood warning. I was worried it could be
southeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Delaware County,
a tornado warning or something like. Hell no.
southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Flash flood warning. This is a life-threatening situation.
The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 3 inches in 1 hour.
Alright guys, this is it. There's going to be some flash flooding. This is going to be dangerous. This is a life-threatening situation. Flash flood warning.
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Holy hell. This is for our area. This is for our area. The storm is just, I don't know, it could be getting stronger. It looks like the storm though, like, it looks like it could potentially have rotation, and that is not a good sign. That is our first sign to, like, get the hell out of here. Well, I'm gonna stay here for now. If the storm in Philadelphia is probably not gonna hit us. If it does, probably get some.
The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northern Delaware.
Alright, we just have to wait.
In southeastern Pennsylvania. The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch remains in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon through late tonight.
I mean, the one in Philadelphia is like moving northeast, but again, like new cells could keep forming. This is our first one. I'm not really concerned about damaging winds or tornadoes. I'm concerned about flooding right now. Like,
The following areas: Carolina, Kent, Maryland, Queens, and Talbot, New Jersey, including the following areas: Atlantic, coastal Cape May, coastal Atlantic.
I gotta do. There's a.
Eastern Monmouth, Morris, Ocean, Suffolk, and Warwick, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas:
There's a. Someone delivering packages in the storm. I don't know if you should be delivering mail if there's a storm like in the area.
Storm drains and ditches may become clogged with debris. Additional details: a very warm and humid air mass will be in place ahead of an approaching cold front, which will push across the region.
Yeah.
Widespread showers.
Especially if there's flooding. Like this is really not a good area to drive. There's like trees and there's like like we have a pool here. This is not good. All right. I'm not really concerned about thunder and lightning. Well, thunder is harmless unless it's super loud and damages your ears. Lightning is what I'm scared of, and yeah, there's some lighting going on. 2:30 now. That storm cell there is expanding. I don't know. I feel like they should issue. It looks like it could potentially be pretty strong, and there's also another storm forming. So right now I still plan to go where I need to go. If it starts raining like really bad, then I probably won't be going anywhere. Looks like more cells will probably form and hit us. Might be not till like 3 or even 3:30 where I have to leave.
Northeast 2 feet and 3 seconds. A chance of showers. Friday night, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming north 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Waves around 2 feet. Wave detail, northeast 2 feet and 3 seconds. A chance of showers until midnight. Saturday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Waves around 2 feet. Wave detail, northeast 1 foot at 2 seconds. Saturday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots, becoming northeast 5 to 10 knots after midnight.
Like, we're still not even getting heavy rain. It's just thunder and lightning, all that stuff.
Wave detail, east 1 foot at 3 seconds. Sunday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. Sunday night, southeast wind 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Monday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. Monday night, southeast wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming east after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less. Winds and seas.
New alert. Let lightning down.
Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay.
That's not us.
Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay. until 3:30 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Magasie River, moving east at 5 knots.
Water spout.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater in waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown over.
I don't think anyone's boating at this time. They should have known. They should probably know that they definitely shouldn't be boating at this time.
Greenberry Point, Love Point, Naval Academy, Magasie River, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Seven Rivers, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Mattapique, and Annapolis. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
What was that?
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Upper Delaware Bay, issued at 4:09 a.m., Thursday, July 31st. Today, southeast winds 5.
Dude, what is taking this storm so long to get here?
1 foot or less. Wave detail, southeast 1 foot at 3 seconds. A slight chance of showers and
Come on, my camera's going out of focus.
Showers and thunderstorms likely this afternoon with visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Tonight, southeast winds around 10 knots, becoming northeast with gusts up to 20 knots after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less. Wave detail, southeast 1 foot at 3 seconds. Showers with thunderstorms likely until midnight, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Friday, north winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Waves 1 foot or less, then around 2 feet in the afternoon. Wave detail, northeast 1 foot at 3 seconds, becoming northeast 2 feet at 3 seconds. A chance of showers. Friday night, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming north 10 to 15 knots.
Oh, and in case I didn't tell you, my weather forecast, it says strong storms. The Weather Channel, if it says strong storms, it usually implies like dangerous storms. And I don't really think they're that strong right now, but
waves around 2 feet.
definitely want to pay attention.
1 foot at 2 seconds. Saturday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots, becoming northeast 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Waves around 2 feet until midnight, then 1 foot or less. Wave detail, east 1 foot at 3 seconds. Sunday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. Sunday night, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less.
Comes the rain.
Monday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. Monday night, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less. Winds and seas higher and near thunderstorms. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay North of Pools.
Dude, that storm still isn't here yet. Are you serious? It looks like really heavy. Dude, that thing's gonna... That was a lot of lightning right there. Let me know if I caught any lightning bolts. I'm not really paying attention. I'm just staying close to the door.
Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles this afternoon. Tonight, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots because up to 20 knots after midnight.
Come on, you son of a gun.
Showers with a chance of thunderstorms until midnight, then a chance of showers after midnight.
Why did the storm have to weaken below severe limits?
Friday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots.
That sucks.
Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of showers. Friday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, north winds around 5 knots, becoming east in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. Sunday night, southeast winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Monday, north winds around 5 knots, becoming east in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. Monday night, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming east after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less. Winds and seas higher and near thunderstorms. At 2 p.m. at Philadelphia International Airport, thunder was reported. The temperature was 90 degrees, the dew point 74 degrees, and the relative humidity 59%, producing a heat index of 99. The wind was south at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.
I know, it's so humid these days.
At Wilmington, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 87 degrees, the dew point 77 degrees, and the relative humidity 72%, producing a heat index of 99. The wind was south at 14 miles an hour.
It sucks how humid it is, I'm not gonna lie.
With a temperature of 77 in Brooksville. Lancaster. Next door bound, thunder was reported with a temperature of 81. At Harrisburg, it was temperature of 86. It was cloudy.
Anyways, the storm shouldn't have weakened below severe limits, man.
76 at Reading, and 69 at Wilkes-Barre. So conditions across
Then after the next thing, I'm gonna end the video and start a new one. I'll just do that.